It was a recording?
No. We'll do it again.
Jace, can you dance? Oh. Northwest baby. Hi, sissy. Oh, watch your steps, guys. How's those cold feet? How's those cold feet?
Jace!
Hey, watch your step, Belle. What do you want to do? Oh, he's all cold, man.
Go get Sophie.
Jace, can you dance?
Go get Sophie.
I don't like that ledge. Jace. Hey. Come here. Come here. Easy.
He had artichoke. He had linguiça.
Whoop. Whoop.
Grandpa smoking a pipe. Oh, what you doing?
What do you want?
Are you so big, Jace?
Dancing in the rain.
Are you so big?
Hey, Jace.
He's just looking at the flowers. He's okay. Are you smelling the flowers?
Aww.
Almost bath time.
Okay, bye. Slippery. Pull the boss.
Oh, look at his feet.
Are you a hobbit?
Okay.
Jace, where you going? Are you a gnome? You got that down. Never mind.
Oh,
know.
Sophie.
Get it, Sophie. Sophie just like grabbed Jason. Was like, look at your butt. A brown
He
butt.
doesn't care. Sophie's talking to you. She wants to play. Go get Sophie. Oh.
Okay, I think we know what this is.
Okay.